Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating some lanterns, so come on with me guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Decorate a Lantern, and the theme for this month is buffalo check and sunflowers. Now hosting in this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's myself. We have At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, and we have Sandy's Home and Garden. Now, I believe that Miriam Creative Corner will be joining us in this collaboration, and if there's anybody else that I forgot, I will be linking it down below in the description box. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Alright, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I decorate this lantern and we move on to the next one. So I'll be in and out of the video. These florals did come from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was I purchased 3 of those stems, and then I just kind of bent that over just to hang them and loop them around that lantern. Then inside we have the little fairy tree, and then alongside that some bunnies. Then I placed the candle in there, and we are getting ready to tie a bow, and this is going to look absolutely beautiful, guys. Okay, now the bow is on. Doesn't this lantern look absolutely beautiful? Let's move on over to the next one. Okay, so here we are at the second one. So this bow was already here from my previous Decorate a Lantern, and it did already have a buffalo check bow along with the burlap bow, and I love the touch of the hearts. So let me continue decorating this lantern. Yeah, I can't wait for you to see it. Now, I absolutely love decorating with boas, and of course, look how beautiful this looks. I love it. Alright, so that cylinder vase was thrifted, and the candle inside of it I also thrifted. So the florals came from the Dollar Tree. Now I love those hanging greenery, so I placed that on the inside of the lantern. And those are the mini sunflowers. They're hard to find, but when I found them, I got plenty for this collaboration. They look so nice. Now, doesn't this lantern look absolutely gorgeous? I love it. Let's move on to the next one, guys. Now, the shape of this lantern is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I thrifted this, and this was one of the best buys so far that I've purchased. This is a huge lantern. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, and you should see the size of that candle when I put it in there. It's huge. It's a 3-wick. Okay guys, so how I chose to decorate this lantern, we did have some space in between after I put that huge candle in there. Like I said, I am loving this lantern. So I placed 2 birds in here, some greenery, and those 2 roses were kind of floating somewhere, so I just added it in there. We're going to add some dangling flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then of course we're going to add the bow and a little bit of sunflowers, and then we'll be done with this lantern. I think that this lantern came out absolutely gorgeous along with the other two. I think we need to head on over to the reveal and take a closer look. Now I'm absolutely loving all three of these lanterns, and to me all of them are grand, and I hope that you think that these are beautiful also. So I want to take a moment and thank everyone who participated in this collaboration. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.